Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Tales of Bintu. In this video, we will learn how to order a Starlink kit, check service availability in your area, and download the official app. On the homepage, look for the residential section. Starlink offers different residential plans tailored to your needs. The entry level is the 100 Mbps plan, perfect for basic browsing, email, and light streaming in smaller households. Next is the 200 Mbps plan, which handles multiple devices, HD video calls, and smooth 4K streaming for families. For power users, choose the max tier with up to 400 plus Mbps download speeds, best for heavy downloading, gaming, and many connected devices at once. All plans come with unlimited data and reliable performance 6 E1AP scroll, or click to explore the residential options in detail. On the right side of the screen, you will see a menu icon. Tap the menu icon on the top right corner to access options and filters. Now let's explore Starlink availability on the interactive map. Once you're on starlink.com, click the Check Availability button. This opens the full screen service map. In the search bar at DH.
On the right side of screen, you will see a menu icon. Tap the menu icon on the top right corner to access options and filters. This menu lets you switch between different views, select residential plan types like 100 Mbps, 200 Mbps or max, or adjust settings for easier navigation on the availability map. Now let's explore Starlink availability on the interactive map. Once you're on starlink.com, click the Check Availability button. This opens the full screen service map. In the search bar at the top, enter your full service address very carefully. Include your country, city, street number, apartment if any, and postal code. Even small mistakes can affect the results, so double check before searching. The Starlink map will instantly zoom to your location and display colorful hexagonal overlays that show real-time availability status across the area. Green areas usually mean immediate availability for residential plans. This is where you can order the 100 Mbps plan for basic needs, the 200 Mbps plan for families and smooth streaming, or the powerful residential max tier with up to 400 plus Mbps for heavy usage and many devices. Yellow or lighter shades may indicate limited capacity where service is possible, but might be slower to activate. Other colors or a waitlist message show high demand zones. Remember, Starlink is capable of serving each person on Earth, but politics on countries are the major issue. After tapping the menu icon on the top right corner, explore further by tapping or hovering on your exact location. You'll see detailed information pop up, estimated download and upload speeds, latency numbers, and which residential tier works best for you. This helps you confidently choose between the affordable 100 Mbps plan, the balanced 200 Mbps option, or the unrestricted max plan for maximum performance. If your address shows availability, the site will highlight the residential plans you can choose from right there on the map. You can proceed directly to select your preferred speed tier and add the kit to your cart. If it's waitlisted, simply join the official waitlist with one click. Starlink will notify you by email as soon as capacity opens in your area. The map is very user-friendly and updates frequently as Starlink launches more satellites and expands service. Always use your exact address rather than just the city name for the most accurate availability result. This map step is the most important part before ordering your residential kit. Take your time here to make the best decision.
Select credit or debit card. Enter your card number carefully, then the expiration date, month, year, and the 3 or 4-digit CVV code on the back. Double check all details. Protect down to Protect down there. Click place order. You'll get a confirmation email. Always use official starlink.com for safety. Remember, Starlink is capable of serving each person on Earth, but politics on countries are the major issues. Now it's time to download the Starlink app. This is a very important step that you should do even before your kit arrives. On your smartphone, open the Apple App Store if you use iPhone, or Google Play Store if you use Android. In the search bar, type Starlink and look for the official app developed by SpaceX. Make sure you select the genuine Starlink app with the official logo. The app uses augmented reality to show color-coded results. Green areas mean excellent clear view, perfect for getting full 100 Mbps, 200 Mbps or max speeds. Yellow or red spots indicate obstructions like trees, buildings, or roofs that could reduce performance. A clear northern sky view usually gives the best results in most countries. After checking obstructions, the app gives you personalized recommendations for dish placement. You can also use the app to monitor real-time speeds, check network status, view performance history, and troubleshoot any issues. It even shows satellite connections and helps optimize your residential plan performance. Remember, Starlink is capable of serving each person on Earth, but politics on countries are the major issues. The app keeps you updated with the latest service information for your area. Thanks for supporting the Tales of Bintu.